Have you noticed your grocery bills creeping up lately? It's not just in your head. Prices for everyday items like eggs, milk, and bread are climbing. The chain reaction behind it is bigger than most realize. Wars in the Middle East are driving oil prices higher, and shipping costs are rising. Those increases are hitting supermarket shelves everywhere. Today, we'll break down why your grocery bill is about to get worse and how to prepare to keep more money in your pocket despite rising costs. Consider subscribing to Wealtiny and liking the video for practical strategies for managing expenses. Let's start with the cause and effect chain. Oil is a major input for almost every part of the supply chain: trucks, ships, and airplanes. Even farm machinery relies on fuel. When global tensions push oil prices higher, transportation costs increase, passing the burden to the consumer. Think about it this way. Every time gas prices spike, your bread, milk, and canned goods silently get more expensive, even if you don't notice. To understand this, we look at history. Geopolitical conflicts have almost always led to energy-driven inflation, like the 1970s oil crisis. Today, our globalized system is even more sensitive. A single roadblock in a shipping lane can send shockwaves through your local supermarket in days. Next, shipping costs. Many products in supermarkets travel thousands of miles. Fuel costs and port delays create a ripple effect on all goods. We must also consider secondary inflation. This happens when the higher cost of essential items forces every business in the chain to raise prices. When a shipping container's cost jumps from $1,500 to $5,000, that cost usually goes directly to the end consumer. Ingredients like flour, sugar, and oil become more expensive because of fuel, affecting how food is grown, processed, and packaged. Fertilizers are another hidden cost. Many are petroleum-based, making it more expensive to grow food before it even leaves the farm. So what can you do? First, plan meals strategically. Focus on items less affected by transportation or seasonally abundant locally. Buying fresh produce grown nearby rather than imported items can save money and reduce exposure to global price spikes. Second, buy in bulk when it makes sense. Staples like rice, beans, and pasta can be purchased in larger quantities for lower costs. Bulk buying is personal inventory hedging. By buying now, you lock in today's prices for future consumption, protecting against inflation. Third, track prices. Apps and loyalty programs allow you to monitor trends and stock up before the next jump. Awareness is power. Fourth, optimize transportation. Fuel-efficient trips and combining errands can reduce indirect grocery costs. Efficiency in action leads to wealth preservation. Fifth, look for value in store brands and frozen alternatives. These adjustments add up over time without sacrificing nutrition. Every dollar saved can be redirected into savings or investments. Proactive preparation protects your finances from turning daily life into a struggle. Think of opportunity stacking. Saving $50 a month on groceries is $600 a year, invested, that becomes significant wealth over time. As grocery bills rise, stay strategic. Small, consistent steps make a big difference. Subscribe to Wealtiny for more strategies to safeguard your money. Resilience is built through decisions. Today is the best day to start protecting your finances and thriving in uncertain times.